This is Using Text Features Efficiently, a practice activity. Directions. Using the book Matter by Rebecca Pettiford, answer the following questions. Remember, your goal is to find information efficiently, quickly, and correctly. You want to preview the book's vocabulary before you begin reading. Where would you look to find unknown words and their meanings? Write your answer on the line. Which word means usable power that allows things to be active? Write your answer on the line. On which page can you find an illustration of an atom? Write your answer on the line. Explain the most efficient way to find examples of solids, liquids, and gases. Write your answers on the line. Read the text the entire way through. If you could add a text feature to this book, what would it be? How would it help the reader understand the book better? Write your answer on these lines. This is your practice activity. Good luck!